First step is finding the keywords in the statements quickly. Second step, find just one paragraph of text and then try to match with statements. You may use any letter more than once. Third step, define that your choice is maybe or exactly. Last step, you go to another paragraph and quickly try to do above instruction again. Now read quick and underline keywords. 1. The handles at the side are hard to use. 2. It cooks brown rice without making a mess. 3. It automatically switches setting to keep the rice warm when cooked. 4. It's difficult to get the removable top really clean. 5. A selection of recipes is provided with the cooker. 6. It has a handle at the top for carrying the cooker safely. 7. The outside of the cooker doesn't get too hot. 8. You can put the pot in the dishwasher. Read first paragraph fast and find the previous sentence's keyword in it. A. Easy rice cooker. This has a 1.8-liter pot and a stainless steel exterior. It has a separate glass lid and the handle on the lid stays cool. It produces perfectly cooked white rice, but tends to spit when cooking brown rice. There are slight dirt traps around the rim of the lid, and neither the pot nor the lid is dishwasher safe. When we check our statement's keywords, it match with sentence number 4. B. Family rice cooker. This has a plastic exterior and a flip-top lid. The lid locks when closed and becomes a secure handle to carry the cooker. The aluminum interior pot is quite difficult to clean and it can't be put in a dishwasher. It's programmed to adjust the temperature once the rice is done so that it stops cooking but doesn't get cold. When we check our statement's keywords, it match with sentence number 3 and number 6. C. Mini rice cooker. This has a flip-top lid and a 0.3-liter capacity. The interior pot is made of non-stick aluminum and is dishwasher safe. The rice cooker is ideal when cooking for one. However, it does not have any handle at the side, and water sometimes overflow when cooking brown rice. When we check our statement's keywords, it match with sentence number 8. D. VPN rice cooker. This has a painted steel exterior with a handle on each side and a steel inner pot. It has a lift-off lid and comes with a booklet including a range of ideas for rice dishes. However, the keep warm setting must be manually selected and the handles are tricky to grip. When we check our statement's keywords, it match with sentence number 1 and number 5. E. S16 rice cooker. This is simple to use, not spitting or boiling over even when cooking brown rice. The exterior stays cool when in use, so there's no danger of burning your hand. However, the lack of handles is a nuisance, and a recipe book would have been useful. When we check our statement's keywords, it match with sentence number 2 and number 7. So, you have all of answer. Check out yourself with your Understanding English with our videos. We have different and new videos for you. Subscribe and give us feedback, likes, comments, and share.